This is the mixture of B&B briquettes with a couple of B&B char logs. Some of this was used during a cook that's still good, so I decided just to keep it. You know, still good. With this charcoal basket right here, is for the Char-Griller Grand Champ right here. A few more. Yeah, just like that. I'm just going to place it right in the middle, light it up. Now, you don't have to do it this way. You can just go ahead and light up a whole chimney starter and just dump all the briquettes in there if you want. But I'm going to go this way. I'm going to be cooking indirect, so all my food's going to be on this side. So that's why I'm just doing it this way. And like I always say, I got plenty of time, so I'm going to be out here and just relax and sit back and let the pit do its thing. So we let that going. I'm gonna get it. I don't know, I'm cool with 250, 275. We'll see how it rides, but I'll bring it back when the charcoal's ready. All right, so if you're going with the temp gauge that's on the Char-Griller Grand Champ, it's getting close to 300, but I'm not going by that. I have my clip right here, so I'm just gonna move it to right there to the side. So as you can see, that's how I want it. Just add a wood chunk right there, and then when I need to, I'll add another one. So I got some meaty chicken breasts. That they are. Yeah, just like that. So I'm gonna let it ride, let it go, get at 265, 270. We'll just roll like that and just take it easy, relax, and enjoy this cook. All right, they're both sitting at 97 right now. So there's some meaty chicken breasts right there, bone in. So they're gonna be delicious. But yeah, look at that, both sitting at 97 each. So that's awesome. They all look about the same size, so you know they should be done by around the same time. But I'm just here, just kicking it. Got this fan right here going. I'm in a dome right now. I gotta get some shade in there. It's so damn hot here right now in Texas. There's the blackjack. Yeah, look at that. There's my Highland right there. And then yeah, there it is. There's the Grand Champ. But yeah, so I'm just kicking back, relax, listening to music, drinking my favorite beverage. But yeah, just want to give you a little update on that. All right. So the temp's reading over 300, but the cooking grate's reading that. Let's see if we can read it at 243, 244. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put another wood chunk. Yeah, what do you think? Look at that. Looking beautiful. But let's get that in there. So that's what it's looking like right there. The charcoal basket. That's what I'd use whenever I want to do indirect cooking. But look at that. Looking good. That posts up wood chunk. So let's close it up and continue on. We're getting there. I have cold sausage right here from Kruez Market, Lockhart, Texas. Yeah. 2 rings right there, original. So, just gonna go and place it about right there. Right there. Yeah. And we'll let it ride. Oh man, those breasts looking good. Come on, we all love breasts, right? Well, the temp is dropping, so I'm gonna check out. They look pretty good still. I'll probably just open up side bit just a little bit. Yeah, the chicken breast, that's about to be done. Sausage, yeah, it's getting there too. It's about to be done. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it ride just for a little bit more. Well, watch these sausage because I don't want them to explode. They're getting there already. Delicious, look at that. All right, chicken breast hit 176, so I'm gonna take that one off. Could be some good eating right there. The other one's sitting at 171, so once that one hits around 175, I'll take that off because I'm ready to eat. Ready to eat that chicken breast. Ready to eat that Kruez Market sausage. It's gonna be delicious. And look at that, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The other breast hit at 176, so I'm gonna pull it off and let it rest for about 10 minutes, and I'll slice into it, and it's gonna be good. But yeah, I'm telling you, I don't think these are in production anymore. I haven't seen them in stores about this at Home Depot. So I know they use the same name now for the smoker, the Grand Champ. That's very popular smoker right now. You see a lot of videos on YouTube. But this right here is just the grill. This came first, but this right here, it's one of my favorites. It's been there and I've had it for so long, but man, yeah, and it's always cooking delicious food. All right, so that's it right there. Be careful, I'm telling you, man, they're big. They got some weight to them. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Isn't that delicious right there? Y'all ready to eat? Y'all gonna eat with me or what? Yeah, let's let them rest and let's slice into them. All right, now this was a good cook. I'm gonna let my beer sit right here. Hopefully it's not gonna cook it, but it's been a real good laid back cook. The breast, it's, man, I'm telling you, it's moist. Oh man, oh, it smells so good. I mean, you know, I don't recall anyone on YouTube really having this grill. I don't recall. Like I said before, I don't think they even make them anymore, Char-Griller. So, you know, I mean, just to cook on it, it's awesome. I mean, I've always enjoyed cooking on it. It's one of the first grills that I bought when I first started to do all this. So it's always nice. You grill on it, just like you saw right now. You do indirect cooking, smoke. I have that charcoal basket that's made for this grill. You do some indirect cooking. Put some wood chunks, wood chips. Yeah, so, I mean, it's a good grill. I've had it for a while. It's a real good grill. But let's eat this right here. Got some meat and the skin. And I always season it with oh, that's peppery right there. Oh man, the solid rub. Oh man. Oh boy. This is awesome. Mm. This is so delicious. Chicken breast, man, you can't beat that. I think that's my favorite part of the chicken breast. Yeah, but man, it's been a hot day here in Texas. Oh man. So what I did, I had to get the canopy temp out, and I had to sit underneath there. Had a little fan going just to cool me down. Obviously, beverage help with that. Oh man, this is my sixth one right here. So yeah, not feeling it yet, but eventually I'll get there. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. It did start sprinkling whenever I was putting up the tent. So yeah, I mean, this is, man, look at that, just dripping down. I don't know if you can tell. Look at that. Oh man. Bro, as you see, I'm ready to eat. I got the Kruez Market sausage. You ever go down to Lockhart, go to Kruez Market. It's delicious food, but the sausage is the best in Texas. I don't give a damn what you say. It's the best in Texas. You got to eat that, and then when you leave, take you home some cold sausage and cook that at home too. It's gonna be great. But as always, I'm gonna chow down. Ready to eat. I'm gonna finish off another beer after this. I'm gonna let the music play. I almost dropped it. I'm gonna let the music play. I got my damn sweat in my eyes, burning the hell out of my eye, but I'm ready to go. So, as always, folks, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Go out and cook after you see this video.